A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and functions as a noun. Gerunds can serve as subjects within a sentence. For example, swimming is good exercise. Gerunds can also act as objects, such as in the sentence, I enjoy reading. As nouns, gerunds can be modified by adjectives and used with prepositions. An infinitive is the basic, unconjugated form of a verb. It is typically identified by the word to placed before the verb. Infinitives can function grammatically as a noun within a sentence. Infinitives can also act as adjectives, modifying nouns or pronouns. Additionally, infinitives can serve as adverbs, providing more information about a verb. The role of the infinitive is determined by its function within the sentence structure. A participle is a verb form functioning as either an adjective or part of a verb tense. Present participles are characterized by the ing ending. Past participles typically end in ed, in, n, or n. Example: the running water demonstrates a present participle used as an adjective. Another example: having finished the work shows a present participle forming a perfect participle phrase. Participles enrich sentence structure by adding descriptive detail or indicating completed actions. Gerunds and present participles both share the ing ending, which can cause confusion. A gerund functions as a noun within a sentence. It can be a subject, object, or complement. A present participle functions as an adjective or forms part of a continuous verb tense. Distinguishing their roles is essential for accurate grammar and clear communication. Effective use of infinitives, gerunds, and participles requires practice in identifying their functions. Analyze sentences to understand the roles of these verb forms. For example, consider sentences like, walking is her favorite hobby. Another example is, she likes to sing, where to sing is an infinitive. Also, examine sentences such as, the broken vase lay on the floor, where broken is a participle. Identifying these roles enhances comprehension and grammatical accuracy.